Hi everyone. We're going to learn about the technologies that are being used in YouTube.com. This is a group project which has been done by four members: Lucy, Tatiana, Prabha, and Dara. We will talk about the technologies used to build the YouTube.com site. www.buildwith.com was used to learn about the technologies used. Documentation for this project can be found at this following GitHub link. The widgets that are used in the Google Font API. Google has introduced the Google Font Directory and Google Font API, a free web service that allows website owners the ability to utilize other fonts outside of the web-safe fonts category in an easy, convenient, and resource-efficient way. By doing this, web developers and authors can now utilize at font face CSS coding to utilize Google's font directory and API to access high quality fonts. The youtube.com site uses the Google Font API to introduce beautiful typography.
Frameworks PHP. So YouTube is created using PHP, which is an open source server-side programming language for web development. PHP can be embedded into HTML, and the supports a large selection of databases. The PHP framework is also a platform used for PHP development and includes libraries with pre-packaged functions, classes, and software design pattern recognition.
Some of the technologies used to support the site on mobile devices. Viewport Meta. The Viewport Meta tag is used in the site to control layout on mobile devices. This tag is mainly used to optimize the content to be viewed on mobile devices. The website also uses code that allows the page to support iPhone mobile content by using the iPhone mobile compatible. Then mobile non-scalable content. The content is formatted for mobile devices. It does not allow the content to be scaled. This technology is used by more than 26 million websites and is considered to be a mega technology. Operating system is pronounced QUIC. QUIC is Google's experimental low latency internet transportation protocol over UDP, protocol that is often used by gaming, streaming media, and voice over IP services. The name QUIC stands for Quick UDP Internet Connection. Document standards. The X-frame options HTTP response header can be used to indicate whether or not a browser should be allowed to render in a frame or iframe. Sites use this to avoid clickjacking attacks by ensuring that their content is not embedded into other sites. The HTTP Strict Transport Security HSTS header instructs the browser to only use HTTPS.
HTML5. HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The markup language is used for creating web pages. It's used to describe a web page. It also consists of a series of elements. Some of the document standards used in YouTube include HTML5. The document type is a required preamble for HTML5 website. Next comes the cascading style sheets. These sheets are used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML language. Its most common application is to style the web pages that are written in HTML. It's just like putting color, background, adding extra accessories to the HTML web pages. And next comes the content type options. It is used to disable MIME, sniffing for a particular HTTP response.
YouTube has a lot of very strong policies, web security technologies. I like to speak about three of them. HSTS. HT is web security technology. Accomplished this by forcing web browsers to compute over HTTPS and rejecting requires to use ensure HTTP. The across protection, cross-site script access is a common attack vector that injects malicious code in a vulnerable web application. It occurs when a malicious script is injected directly into a valuable web application. Reflected cross-access involves the reflection a malicious script of a web application into a user browser. In HTTP header is a feature that stops a page from loading when it detects cross-access attacks. The feature is become unnecessary with increasing content security policies of sites. 3P platform from privacy preference is a protocol that scripts a way to determine its website security policies meet a user's privacy requirement. P3P includes a machine-readable vocabulary and syntax that can be used to describe web site security policies and consumer self-identified privacy preferences. Thank you for watching.